Kayla, gonna do the animal noises?
No.
When we're done with that book.
No.
Here, look at this book. Can you tell me what a horse says? That's a cow. What's a cow say? What does a sheep say? What's a goat say?
Go.
Yeah, that's a goat. What does a pig say? Yep, that's a dog. What's a kitty say? What's a... That's a duck. That's right. Good job. You're such a good rooster. She's not even looking at the pages. Good owl, Kayla. You're so smart. Kayla, can you say... Kayla, say I'm... Kayla, say I'm... That's not even close. Say smart. S-M-R-T. Smart. Smart. You're cute.